If you think ChatGPT is gonna write your test cases for you, I've got news, and it ain't good. New testers are diving headfirst into AI tools, hoping they'll do all the work. Spoiler alert, they won't. Most folks just copy whatever the AI spits out. No context, no logic, no clue. That's why we built Fintest, to help testers use AI properly and productively. Use AI like a co-pilot, not a crutch. Start with your brain, then use AI to sharpen, not replace. As an example, we asked AI to write a login test case. Is anything missing? Always review the output. Here's something most junior testers don't realize: AI isn't coming for your job. Bad habits are. Subscribe, join the Fintest community, and stop letting AI make you look clueless. You've got this.